Hey guys, so just a quick DIY for making a curtain using the pipe rods. So these are half inch elbow, and a half-inch flange. Half-inch elbow with that with what do you call this? With a threaded piece. Okay, so half-inch, and obviously the length of this really depends on where you want to put it. For mine, I'm gonna put it right up there, and I've measured 40. This is 48 inches long, so what I'm gonna do is put them all together at first, and then measure it and drill some holes and mark it up, and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, so this is the hard part when doing a project like this. Like, I'm by myself, so I'm holding that. I just want to show you what I did there. So I marked it up, and I kind of put in the bolts, but not quite, because I want to make sure that it is level. So I am holding my leveler on my left hand, and on the right I've marked up, I don't know if you can see it there, I've marked up where I'm gonna drill the holes. But right now I just want to make sure that everything is leveled, and I'm doing this all by myself. Do it yourselfer, right? So that's what it looks like right now, guys. And yeah, it looks like it's pretty level. I'm gonna let this go, and I'm gonna drill the hole there. Okay guys, so I finished the installation, and in here, this was actually a little, I think this is not quite right, because if I should have turned this a little bit more so that you can access that bolt. I mean, I was able to get through it, but it was hard, and putting this all together is a bit hard because you have to do it all in one piece. Another suggestion that I would like to suggest, if you can, you can also get a T, so it's open on this way, so that means you can just slide it, right? That would give you an idea, just to slide it in place. And then there's also a cap that you can just cap it in. So I mean, there's plenty of ways to go around it, but that's what it looks like right now. Again, when you put it in, also make sure that you get your rings inside for the curtain. Now my curtain is from Lowe's. It's those drop cloth used for painting, and it was a 48 inches, so 4 feet by 15 feet, roughly the length. So what I did is I actually had to double it. So you can see in here, that's actually doubled because it was just way too long. So it was 4 feet by 15 feet. That was just way too long for what I needed, and so it was all the way to the ground. But see, look at that, that's just perfect. Yeah, I think I was thinking of returning it, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. It looks good. That is looking at it from our balcony, and if I just go around just to show you what it looks like on this side, I think it looks pretty good as well. I mean, there it is, you know, it's all hidden, and yeah, I think that's pretty good for what I need. I'll just show it to you when you open it, so that you guys can see what it looks like when it's open as well. I mean, it's so easy, just slides in, right? So there, yeah, so that's pretty good, guys. Let me know what you think. Installation is okay. I mean, you gotta plan ahead. It's a bit tight in the space, but yeah, if you can get the sliding one, I think that would be better. I've always wanted these industrial type of curtains, so let me know what you guys think. Hit that like button, consider subscribing if you like this video, and more videos of DIYs to come. Cheers.